Hi guys, I've been getting some questions about Korean food and also the white soup I had in one of my past videos. I'll try to introduce many of my mom's recipes in more of my videos. So, I'm on my way to buy our ingredients. I'm not a grade A chef, but I love trying to cook a good meal. Here in Northern America, we are used to January 1st being the new year. But in Asia, we also have something called the Chinese Lunar New Year, which actually starts this week Friday. We gather around and have delicious food with loved ones, but also make our traditional white soup. It is called tteokguk. It's double D, so strong the sound, meaning rice cake soup. Legend says each bowl you eat, you get a year older. For fun, if you have 3 bowls, you get 3 years older. When I was young, I had a bunch wanting to grow faster. So enough talking, and let's get to cooking. Quick shot on everything prepared. Step 1. Beautiful food tastes even better is what my mom always said. For decoration, let's make the thin egg flakes. Crack open 2 eggs. Mix it up and add a pinch of salt and sugar. Step 2. Bring the meat. I loved meat as a kid, but wasn't happy with such little in my soup. I'm a grown-up now. I want a bunch of them. Cut it up into small pieces. Marinate in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Dice the leeks for added flavor. Step 3. Now with the prepared egg, pour it into a medium heated pan, slightly coated with oil. When cooked, gently flip over and cut into thin 2-inch slices. Step 4. Take out the marinated beef and cook on a medium heat. 손이 없어. Oh, the meats love the bowl too much, I guess. Kinda hard with your hand tied to the camera. Step 5. Put in a dried sardine broth packet into the boiling water for 10 minutes. You can make your soup have a deeper flavor. Trust me, it's not fishy at all. Pour in the soup, style pre-cut rice cakes. While the soup is boiling, if the rice cakes start floating and turns tender, season with 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of extra salt, 1 handful of chopped leeks. Oh, stuck again! Use the soup to rinse it out. Give it a taste. Now gently pour in a mixture of 1 egg for added texture. Sprinkle some black pepper for flavor. As a finishing touch, add the cooked marinated meat, seaweed crunchies, thin egg flakes, and cut red peppers as a topping. And you're done! So guys, Happy New Year's! Thanks for your love and support. And I'll come back with another recipe. Yuki says 10 out of 10 points. Let me know what you thought in the comments.